2019, Exam 1, Question 7, Networks and Decision Making. Okay, so we need to draw our network, and they're giving us a precedence table, and they're telling us there's a dummy somewhere required, so we've got to figure out where that dummy goes. Now, looking at this, we can see we've got a start point, and only A has no immediate predecessors, so we can go like that. Here is our A. Then we can see we've got B and C both need A, so we can do a joint like that, and then we're going to go B, make sure it's better B, and then like that, that's a C. And so they're done, they're fine. And then we can start to see where the problem is coming, because if E needs B and C, we'd have to join B and C back up again. And we can't have that happening. All right, so that's why you have to have a dummy. So if we don't want that, we've got to have a dummy connected there in there somewhere. So we're going to seal that off. We're going to put a dummy. We don't know where the direction is going yet. We're going to put a little D. And then we can just draw a line like so. A line like so. And I'm going to go D and E. They're going to have some nice arrows. And I'm going to figure out which way is this arrow going. Now it tells us that D must go only to B. So if you're going from D, you go backwards through B to A, but we can't go backwards through A, through the little d. So we've got to put the arrow that way, and so that way only the yellow path follows backwards for D. Let's try seeing if that works out for E. So E going backwards from the arrow, backwards through there, backwards through there. So you can see E has gone to C, but if we do another path, let's do it in green, E going backwards through the dummy, we can then go through B and through there. Remember, the dummy doesn't count on the precedence table. So dummies are not listed on the precedence table. Don't go saying the dummy is an immediate predecessor, because then you'll be a dummy and lose a mark. There's quite a possibility there. So that diagram is now complete. That's all you needed to do. It said you didn't have to do the whole diagram. And we now know it's going to go B to the start of E, which is the answer B. Only 42% of people got this right. Not great. Now, if we look here, we've got F and G must come off D. So we'll do F and we'll do G. And then, let's do a bit neat. There we go. And then H needs E and F. I'm going to just rearrange that because it works out better if you've got G up here and F down here, because then I can take the end here and that end there and join them up. And then the next one, I needs G and H. Sorry, that's H. I'm just trying to draw that in after I joined them up. Then this one comes down here, joins up. Look at that, you don't even have much room. And there's I. That diagram does work. It's not beautiful. Didn't say it was going to be. But that's how you can finish off the diagram. You didn't have to do the whole diagram though. And there you go.